Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have brought you mock test number 2 on plant pathology. In this series, we'll try to come up with more and more subject-wise test series. So the mock test will be most helpful for all upcoming agri-competitive exams. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Question number 1. Bunchy top of banana, a viral disease, was introduced in India in 1940 from. The options are Sri Lanka, England, Europe or Italy. The correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. So bunchy top of banana, a viral disease, was introduced in India in 1940 from Sri Lanka. Let's know more about the disease introduced in India from other countries. First, coffee rust was introduced from the country Sri Lanka. Bunchy top virus was introduced from Sri Lanka again. Late blight of potato was introduced from England. Downy mildew of grapes was introduced from Europe. Wart of potato was introduced from Netherlands, and golden nematode of potato was introduced from Europe. Question number 2. Agaricus bisporus is commonly known as dash. The options are paddy straw mushroom, oyster mushroom, milky mushroom or button mushroom. The correct answer is option D, button mushroom. So Agaricus bisporus is commonly known as button mushroom, whereas the scientific name for paddy straw mushroom is Volvariella volvacea. For oyster mushroom, it is Pleurotus austriatus, and for milky mushroom, it is Calocybe indica. Question number 3. To prepare 1% Bordeaux mixture, quantity of copper sulfate, lime and water required are dash. The options are 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1000 ml, 500 gram plus 500 gram plus 100 liter, 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 100 liter, or 1000 gram plus 1000 gram plus 100 milliliter. The correct answer is option C, 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 100 liter. So 1 kg of copper sulfate powder is dissolved in 50 liters of water. Similarly, 1 kg of lime is powdered and dissolved in another 50 liters of water. Then copper sulfate solution is slowly added to lime solution with constant stirring, or alternatively, both the solutions may be poured simultaneously to a third container and mixed well. Question number 4. Puccinia strophiformis is causal organism of dash. The options are black or stem rust, yellow or stripe rust, white rust or brown or orange leaf rust. The correct answer is option B, yellow or stripe rust. So Puccinia strophiformis is causal organism of yellow stripe rust, whereas Puccinia graminis tritici is the causal organism of black or stem rust. Albugo candida is the causal organism of white rust, and Puccinia recognita is the causal organism for brown or orange leaf rust. Question number 5. Which of the following disease is not caused by wall-less prokaryotes, that is mycoplasma? The options are rice dwarf, sunflower aster yellows, sesamum phylloide or sugarcane grassy shoot. The correct answer is option A, rice dwarf. So rice dwarf is the disease which is not caused by wall-less prokaryotes, that is mycoplasma. It is caused by rice dwarf virus, whereas others are caused by mycoplasma. Question number 6. Citrus exocortis disease is caused by dash. The options are sporoplasma, phytoplasma, viroid or virus. The correct answer is option C, viroid. So citrus exocortis disease is caused by viroid. Citrus exocortis is a disease of citrus plant caused by the citrus exocortis viroid. Question number 7. In potato, oxygen starvation during storage leads to incidence of dash. The options are brown rot, black heart, yellow heart or scab. The correct answer is option B, black heart. So in potato, oxygen starvation during storage leads to incidence of black heart. Question number 8. Bacteria having flagella on its whole body is known as dash. The options are monotrichus, peritrichus, amphitrichus or none of these. The correct answer is option B, peritrichus. So bacteria having flagella on its whole body is known as peritrichus. Question let's know more about it. In monotrichous flagella, single polar flagellum is present. In amphitrichous flagella, single flagellum is present on both sides. In lophotrichous flagella, tufts of flagella are present on one or both sides. In petritrichous flagella, many flagella are present all over the body, and bacteria without flagella is called as atrichous. Question number 9. All floral parts are transformed into green leafy structures in Sesamum phyloides. Vector of Sesamum phyloides is dash. The options are Europhyid mite, green leaf hopper, aphids or leaf hopper. The correct answer is option D, leaf hopper. So all floral parts are transformed into green leafy structures in Sesamum phyloides. Vector of Sesamum phyloides is leaf hopper. The scientific name being Orosius albicinatus, whereas Europhyid mite causes wheat streak mosaic and green leaf hopper causes tungro and yellow dwarf disease of rice, and aphids cause sugarcane grassy shoot. Question number 10. In India, the varieties of apple used in disease-resistant breeding against apple scab are, the options are Surprise and Prima, Priscilla and McFree, Nova, Easy Grow and Liberty, or Coop 12 and Red Free. The correct answer is option D, Coop 12 and Red Free. So in India, the varieties of apple used in disease-resistant breeding against apple scab are Coop 12 and Red Free. Question number 11. Citrus stubborn disease is caused by dash. The options are Spiroplasma, viroid, Phytoplasma or bacteria. The correct answer is option A, Spiroplasma. So citrus stubborn disease is caused by Spiroplasma. Question number 12. Phytophthora infestans penetrates through dash. The options are stomata, lenticels, nectaries or wounds. The correct answer is option A, stomata. So Phytophthora infestans penetrates through stomata. Question number 13. Blast of rice caused by Pyricularia oryzae is dash-borne disease. The options are airborne, seed, soil and airborne, internally seed-borne or soil-borne. The correct answer is option A, airborne. So blast of rice caused by Pyricularia oryzae is airborne disease, whereas the wheat kernel bunt is seed, soil and airborne, and wheat loose smut is internally seed-borne. Moving on to the next question. Loose mud disease of wheat is a dash. The options are monocyclic disease, dicyclic disease, tricyclic disease or polycyclic disease. The correct answer is option A, monocyclic disease. So loose mud disease of wheat is a monocyclic disease, whereas late blight of potato is a polycyclic disease. Those diseases which have only generation in one cropping season, example loose mud of wheat, is called as simple interest or monocyclic diseases. Question number 15. Which of the following disease of rice is severe on potash deficiency soils? The options are blast of rice, brown leaf spot, bacterial leaf blight or Khera disease. The correct answer is option B, brown leaf spot. So brown leaf spot disease of rice is severe on potash deficiency soils. Question number 16. Dash is made up of only proteins. The options are virion, viroid, prion or capsid. The correct answer is option C, prion. So prion is made up of only proteins, whereas virion is made up of nucleic acid plus protein. Viroid is RNA without protein coat, and capsid, it is protein coat that encloses and protects the nucleic acid of virus. Question number 17. Phosphate solubilizing fungus is dash. The options are Fusarium, Trichoderma species, Penicillium species, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, Penicillium species. So phosphate solubilizing fungus is Penicillium species. Question number 18. Select the name of pathogen or pathogens causing root rot of cotton. The options are Rhizoctonia bataticola, Rhizoctonia solanae, Sclerotinia rolfsi, or both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. So the name of pathogens causing root rot of cotton are Rhizoctonia bataticola and Rhizoctonia solanae. Question number 19. Which of the following is gram-negative bacteria? The options are Streptomyces, Clavibacter, Agrobacterium, or all of these. The correct answer is option C, Agrobacterium. So, Agrobacterium is the gram-negative bacteria. Question number 20. Wilt of pigeon pea is caused by dash. The options are Fusarium oxysporum subspecies Caesari, Fusarium oxysporum subspecies Udum, Fusarium oxysporum subspecies vaccinificum, or Fusarium oxysporum subspecies Lycopersicea. The correct answer is option B, Fusarium oxysporum subspecies Udum. So, wilt of pigeon pea is caused by Fusarium oxysporum subspecies Udum. Question number 21. Mycoplasma multiply by method dash. The options are budding, conjugation, transduction, or spore forming. The correct answer is option A, budding. So, mycoplasma multiply by method budding. Question number 22. Spore produced by bacteria is called as dash. The options are endospores, zoospores, aplanospores, or oospores. The correct answer is option A, endospores. So, spore produced by bacteria is called as endospores. Question number 23. Which of the following pair is correct? The options are exclusion, isolation in time and space, avoidance, chemical seed treatment, eradication, plant quarantine, or protection, spraying of chemicals. The correct answer is option D, protection, spraying of chemicals. This pair is correct, whereas others are wrong. Question number 24. Fungus Phaseolotheca sorghai causes which disease in sorghum? The options are loose smut, head smut, grain smut, or long smut. The correct answer is option C, grain smut. So, the fungus Phaseolotheca sorghai causes grain smut disease in sorghum, whereas Phaseolotheca riliana causes head smut disease, and the fungus Polyposporium ehrenbergii causes long smut disease of sorghum. Question number 25. Which fungicides effectively control powdery mildew disease in plants? The options are copper oxychloride, dinocarbocaratane, sulfur, or both B and C. The correct answer is option D, both B and C. So, which fungicides effectively control powdery mildew disease in plants? It is both dinocarbocaratane and sulfur. Question number 26. Which of the fungal pathogen is responsible for damping off of vegetable seedlings? The options are Oidium species, Pythium species, Plasmopara species, or Peronospora species. The correct answer is option B, Pythium species. So, Pythium species is the fungal pathogen which is responsible for damping off of vegetable seedlings, whereas Oidium species is responsible for powdery mildew, and Plasmopara species and Peronospora species are responsible for downy mildew. Question number 27. Choose the correct name of disease and pathogen related to Great Bengal famine caused in the year 1770 in India. The options are ergot of rye caused by Claviceps species, brown spot of rice caused by Drosera oryzae, blast of rice caused by Pariculera oryzae, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, brown spot of rice caused by Drosera oryzae. So this is the correct name of disease and pathogen related to Great Bengal famine caused in the year 1770 in India. Question number 28. Primary source of infection to green ear disease of bajra is dash. The options are seed and soil, insect, air, or soil. The correct answer is option A, seed and soil. So, primary source of infection to green ear disease of bajra is seed and soil. Oospores are resting spores and can survive for 8 to 10 years in field and cause the primary infection. The pathogen is soil-borne and externally seed-borne for causing the disease in the succeeding crop season. Question number 29. Metal constituents of fungicide mancozeb is or are. The options are zinc, manganese, zinc plus manganese, or no metal constituents? The correct answer is option C, zinc plus manganese. So metal constituents of fungicide mancozeb are Zn plus Mn, whereas in case of zineb it is only zinc, in case of maneb it is only Mn, and no metal constituents are there in thiram. Question number 30. The dash content of rice plant and its susceptibility to blast disease are inversely related. The options are zinc, silicon, boron, or nitrogen. The correct answer is option B, Si. So the Si content of rice plant and its susceptibility to blast disease are inversely related. In rice, silicon application has been associated with an increase in resistance against blast disease. Question number 31. Green ear disease of pearl millet is characterized by dash. The options are gall formation, rotting of ear, honeydew secretion, or chalky appearance. The correct answer is option C, honeydew secretion. So green ear disease of pearl millet is characterized by honeydew secretion. Question number 32. Foul smell of canal bunt affected wheat field is due to dash. The options are tetramethylamine, trimethylamine, diallyl propyl sulfide, or allyl propyl disulfide. The correct answer is option B, trimethylamine. So foul smell of canal bunt affected wheat field is due to trimethylamine. Question number 33. Which of the following is fungal disease of rice? The options are Udbata disease, yellow dwarf disease, Ufra disease, or Pansach. The correct answer is option A, Udbata disease. So, Udbata disease is the fungal disease of rice, whereas yellow dwarf disease is caused by mycoplasma, Ufra disease is caused by nematode, and Pansach is a dry physiological disease of rice. Question number 34. The white blister disease in crucifer is caused by dash. The options are Alternaria brassicola, Albugo candida, Bacillus cereus, or Fusarium oxysporum. The correct answer is option B, Albugo candida. So the white blister disease in crucifer is caused by Albugo candida. Question number 35. Whip-like black shoot is produced in sugarcane plant suffering from disease. The options are smut, rust, blight, or red rot. The correct answer is option A, smut. So whip-like black shoot is produced in sugarcane plant suffering from disease, smut. Question number 36. Which disease of pearl millet contains toxic alkaloids harmful to health? The options are rust, ergot, green ear disease, or smut. The correct answer is option B, ergot. So ergot is the disease of pearl millet which contains toxic alkaloids harmful to health. Question number 37. Green ear disease in bajra is caused by. The options are Claviceps fusiformis, Puccinia species, Pyricularia cetariae, or Sclerospora graminicola. The correct answer is option D, Sclerospora graminicola. So green ear disease in bajra is caused by Sclerospora graminicola. Question number 38. Alternate host of bajra rust is dash. The options are wheat, barberry, groundnut, or brinjal. The correct answer is option D, brinjal. So alternate host of bajra rust is brinjal, whereas alternate host of wheat stem rust is barberry. Question number 39. Domestic quarantine exists in India for dash. The options are potato scab, potato wart, potato virus, or late blight of potato. The correct answer is option B, potato wart. So, domestic quarantine exists in India for potato wart. Question number 40. Vitavax is used as a seed treatment for the control of dash. The options are blight, smut, leaf spot, or rust. The correct answer is option B, smut. So Vitavax is used as a seed treatment for the control of smut, whereas Plantavax is used as a seed treatment for the control of rust. Question number 41. Mature teleospores has dash. The options are haploid nucleus, diploid nucleus, dikaryotic nucleus, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, diploid nucleus. So mature teleospores has diploid nucleus. Question number 42. Infection of smut of maize caused by Astilagomedis occurs during dash. The options are vegetative stage, reproductive stage, before flowering or after flowering? The correct answer is option A, vegetative stage. So infection of smut of maize occurs during vegetative stage. Question number 43. Stinking smut of wheat is also known as dash. The options are canal bunt, covered smut, long smut or hill bunt. The correct answer is option D, hill bunt. So stinking smut of wheat is also known as hill bunt and the causal organism is Tilletia fetida. Question number 44. The scientist who discovered virus as Contagium vivium fluidum is dash. The options are Bjarnik, Ivanovsky, Mayer or Robert Koch. The correct answer is option A, Bjarnik. So the scientist who discovered virus as Contagium vivum fluidum is Bjarnik. Question number 45. Oozing from the cut segment of a brinjal stem when put in a glass of water confirms dash. The options are damping off, bacterial wilt, Phomopsis blight or mosaic. The correct answer is option B, bacterial wilt. So oozing from the cut stem segment of a brinjal stem when put in a glass of water confirms bacterial wilt. Question number 46. Which of the following are entomopathogenic fungi? The options are Beauveria bassiana, Metarhizium anisopli, both A and B, or Trichoderma hertzianum. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. So the entomopathogenic fungi are both Beauveria bassiana and Metarhizium anisopli, whereas Trichoderma hertzianum is the fungicide. Question number 47. Anthracnose of grape is also known as dash. The options are bird's eye disease, black spot, both A and B, or buckeye rot. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. So anthracnose of grape is also known as bird eye disease and black spot. Question number 48. Diseased plants are cured by which of the following methods? The options are chemotherapy, heat therapy, tree surgery, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So diseased plants are cured by all the three methods, which are chemotherapy, heat therapy and tree surgery. Question number 49. Which of the following condition is favorable for incidence of rice blast disease? The options are heavy dose of nitrogen, high atmospheric relative humidity, night temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So which of the following condition is favorable for incidence of rice blast disease? It is all the three, which is heavy dose of nitrogen, high atmospheric RH ranging from 86 to 98% and night temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius. Question number 50. The mature particle of plant virus is generally known as dash. The options are capsid, virion, viroid or prion. The correct answer is option B, virion. So, the mature particle of plant virus is generally known as virion. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.